Hey guys, this is Sabrina. So I would like to show you these hot sales carabiner sets. Also, you can call it carabiner pack. And one of our customer is the coffee shop, and they purchase the Star carabiner from us, from our factory, and do these carabiner sets for their promotional key gifts for their consumer. Also, we can do custom a lot of color, whatever you want, and also you can choose a different finish like the matte or light. So it also can suitable for the outdoor gear, or also the promotional gift or something else.